Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So this is day 4 of 100 push-ups a day challenge. I wasn't actually expecting this to exactly happen, and that's exactly what I will be covering in this video. I will be taking you guys through how I feel after doing at least 4 days of this 100 push-ups a day challenge, and the tips that if you guys are also doing this too, the tips for you guys as well. So stay tuned for that. So I've definitely felt, some physical changes in terms of strength, soreness, muscle soreness. Definitely the energy levels have spiked from from the first day as compared to the first day and to the fourth day. It has definitely given me a really good strength update, or maybe progress, I can say. So if you guys are going ahead and doing this as well, then definitely making sure that you should be able to feel the energy change. The sleep cycle would be more relaxed, so you'll be feeling more relaxed while you sleep and wake up, and you'll be feeling more fresh. I would also include form, definitely, as you guys can see in the first clip and the fourth clip, that the first day I was actually struggling with doing 100 push-ups in one set, but I did 70 push-ups at least for the first day. But then by going to the day 3, I was able to complete at least 100 push-ups in one freaking set. That's a really damn big progress for me, guys, and definitely you guys should also be able to
gain that much of the strength level, even not if you were doing 50 reps in one set.
You shouldn't expect yourself to do 100 push-ups in one set in a week. Don't beat up yourself in terms of that. Just make sure that you keep putting in the effort day on day, and you should be able to get into the 100 push-ups a week, or maybe in 10 days, right? Second part that I wanted to talk about is the mental barrier and the urge to stay motivated. So definitely you would feel a mental barrier in terms of continuing this entire challenge. I've also felt the same, even if it's a day 4. I have actually felt that my brain is actually asking me to stop doing this, because I have been able to do 100 push-ups in one freaking set, which completes the challenge that I actually wanted to go ahead and do. But the real challenge behind this is you are supposed to do 100 push-ups for 30 days straight, or maybe increase the push-up reps basically. But exactly, that's the whole idea of you controlling your brain for 30 days at least, and you're just supposed to give in about 15 minutes of your day and get your body to be controlled by your mind in terms of doing 100 push-ups a day, and for the rest of the 30 days. So definitely you will feel that it's done, man, I'm already able to do 100 push-ups a day, I don't need to continue doing this. But that's exactly where you go wrong. You need to go ahead and keep doing it on day at least, so that you have a satisfaction level in your brain that your body can obey your mind. So that's exactly what you want to be doing. You just want to be pushing through. The only tip that I have for you in order to continue in this challenge is just get up and get into the push-ups. That's what I have done for the past 2 days. I just woke up, turned on the video in my phone, and just started doing the push-ups. That's exactly what helped me break that mental barrier in terms of continuing in the same progress level. Now let's get into the 100 push-ups a day for today. Alright guys, let's get into the push-ups. So the form change that I actually mentioned before was about how my hips were a bit lower than my waist in terms of doing this push-ups on the first day as compared to the day 4, which I'll be showing you guys right now. So let's get into it. Again, elbows should be coming to your body, towards your body, and the hips should be higher than the waist level. So let's get into it. That makes it 50 reps. 50 more to go. Thirty more reps to go. Holy shit, guys. Again, still tiring, but we have made it through the entire 100 push-ups a day. I also wanted to say another thing that, if you guys think that you guys can see from the clip as well, I have been able to do 50 push-ups in a row, like continuously without taking a break. But after 50, I go ahead and do 15 to 20 reps first, and then take a bit for some seconds in the same position, like break in the same position, and then I went ahead and do 10 to 15 reps more, and then take 10-second rest as well again. But the only thing that is, people would say that's not progress, but I would say you still are doing the progress because your muscle is still under tension when you're taking those 10 seconds off in the same position. So that's a plus point. Making sure, even if you take a break, stay in the same position, make your body and your muscles to be in the same state of muscle-mind connection and the muscle under tension. Once you're in that, you would definitely see the progress and the strength gains. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, comment down below what other videos you guys would like me to make. And if you think I can somehow improve the quality of my videos, and now my shoulder's killing me, so I have to go ahead and say peace out.